Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. And yes, for a sort of sneaker channel with cars, I buy weirdly many vacuum cleaners. And I have no reason for that at all. I don't even clean myself. I have a cleaning lady and she doesn't complain about my vacuum cleaners at all. I have two battery charge vacuum cleaners that I sort of use for small things. But the reason why I bought these two is because my brother have asked me, since I'm a gadget guy in general, so my brother had asked me to have a lookout for a vacuum cleaner that has over 1,000 watts. And he have asked me that for a while now. And my old Neely Fisk vacuum cleaner has 1,200 or maybe even 1,400 watts. And the one that my mom has over 1,000 as well. I think 1,200, 1,250. But when I sat down to learn more about it, because I thought that things are getting better and better, so you should have the same effect with a 800 watts than with a 1,200 watts, because things get better and better. It's like cars. You can have a 6-cylinder car that is just as fast as a 8-cylinder car. I forgot to mention all about the specs of the vacuum cleaner, but I also forgot to mention that when I sat down to look for a 1,000 watt vacuum cleaner for my brother, I learned that we have a law since 23, maybe 22, that you're not allowed to sell vacuum cleaners that have more than 800 watts motor, I think it was. So we don't have any 1,000 watts anymore. And I don't care about that so much. For me, it's most important about the noise. And these vacuum cleaners from Electrolux that are called 800, it doesn't have an 800 watt engine. It has 650. Yeah, 650. And decibel was 67 or 69 decibels, which were way less than the other ones that I looked at. The other ones that I looked at were like 78. So almost 10 decibels less. So that's a lot. So when Electrolux claims that they have the best vacuum cleaner ever, best that they have ever had, and the best in general, yeah, why not give it a try? So I bought two of them. One of them is going to my brother, and I took the one with most accessories, and my brother took the one, he chose the color, and I don't know why, but different colors have different accessories. I'm guessing that's the easiest way to keep them in order. So let's unbox at least mine. All right, so here you see, here is mine. They are both called Ultimate 800, and I have another Electrolux 800 that is cordless. So silly that you use the same name. So Ultimate 800 is this one called Ultimate 800 Bagged Cleaner, and this one is called Hygiene 800 Bag Cleaner. So not Ultimate, but this is the one with the most accessories, and this one has just the basic ones, even though it's called Ultimate. And the colors, yeah, name your things better. So now we learned that they are both not called Ultimate, and the one called Ultimate isn't the Ultimate one. What got me to choose the one, I always want the best of the best, but the accessories for this one, they are called Home and Car Kit. So of course that got me a bit curious. And I think they both have LED lights. which is a really good thing. The cordless vacuum cleaners that I sometimes use, I even prefer to use them when it's dark, because the LED lights is really good. It shows everything. So here we have the big head that is supposed to be automatic and feel itself what kind of surface it's on. I should maybe have read more about it. Batteries inside. All right. So the batteries inside is probably for the LED light, which is weird because I thought that it would be power connected with the whole vacuum cleaner. Warranty and instructions. So here we have Ultimate 800 is one version, Animal 800 is another one, and Hygienic 800 is this one. And Hygienic, I think they all have HEPA filters, and that was also one thing that made me want it, because I have a bunch of allergies, and I think all vacuum cleaners should have a HEPA filter. It was a bunch of things in the box. Yeah, the bags. One of the reasons why I wanted a new one was because when I ordered vacuum bags for my old one, they were quite expensive. I think there were 5 bags for like 120 euro or something. Quite expensive. So according to the box, what we get is total care kit. That is only one bag. And the HEPA filter and some other filter. And then we had a home and car kit, which is... You know what? I think I'm missing some things. I'm missing the home and car kit. And then we have a turbo brush nozzle, which is the big one, I guess. Mini turbo nozzle, I don't have. Silent Parketo nozzle, which I don't have either. And let me check, because of course we have some accessories inside here as well, but I still feel that I'm missing something, because there was supposed to be one thing for furniture. Very light, doesn't weigh much. It's made from 47% old plastic or something like that. Turns nice, feels nice. But sort of weird that, I don't know if it's weird, but on my old one, you hide the accessories much better. We have one bag inside, and I'm guessing that the HEPA filter is inside as well. Alright, so here we have the furniture nozzle. So I don't have the car kit. I'm guessing that's extra accessories. But I thought I bought the most expensive one with all the accessories, which I didn't. So on the head we have 2 standard batteries. not even rechargeable. So that was surprising. And the light wasn't that impressive either. So I'm guessing when the battery is dead, you're not going to put in new ones. Well, this is going to break fast, as they always do. It really doesn't feel secured there at all. And I don't know what turns on and off the light, because it goes on and off itself all the time. I'm guessing when you have it on the ground. So you can't have it resting like this anywhere. You need to have it hanging in the air. No. Yeah, this one really sucks. This is not impressive at all. So now to the important thing for me, how it sounds. So let me see. Yeah, the light isn't impressive at all. Let me show you the cordless one, how light is on that one. So I was hoping with an impressive light like that, not like this. And what it sounds like. This is maximum. It sounds very filtered, very easy to use. It rolls very easy, light, and it sucks good. You have the on-off and strength directly on the handle. So that's nice. So it sucks good. It's quiet. It rolls around easy. I really don't like this, and that the lighting could be better, and the lighting should be connected with the power from the cord and not with unchargeable batteries. That's it for this unboxing, I think. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll do my best to answer them. But yeah, this is it.